Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel, Twist and Turn with Neville. If it's your first time tuning in, thank you very much for everything that you've done for us. Thank you very much for everything you've done for us, for the support and everything. And all the people who are in Botswana, Namibia, Swaziland, and Lesotho, thank you very much for the support. And without any further ado, let's get to the video. Let's watch what happened in Judge Ratta's courtroom.
Not finished, however, I will be able to start, and then I will indicate to the court when I'm at the stage wherein there is a further consultation that is needed.
Okay,
however,
fine.
we were able to use that 1 hour.
Okay.
Thank you. Colonel Stein testified before this court on the following dates. On the 27th July 2023, 28 July 2023, 31 July 2023, and the 1st of August 2023. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand, my lord.
In other words, the evidence regarding the cell phones and the communication had already been tendered before this court.
I can't comment. I wasn't here, so I don't know.
That's why I'm informing you. That's why I'm informing you.
Thank you, my lord.
Okay. And you testified that you started investigating on this matter on the 6th of September 2023 when you were conducted by Colonel Geninda. Am I correct?
By Brigadier Kanina, that's correct, my lord.
So, at the time when the investigating officer requested you to conduct further investigation on this matter, the trial had already started.
That's correct.
And the information that we have now tendered before this court was not available to the defense at the time when the trial started, because you were only instructed in September 2023.
That's correct, my lord. But
Okay.
the cell phones was found during the trial. That's why I was ordered to analysis on the phone. While the trial was already ongoing, some of the cell phones were found in possession of.
Cell phones were found in possession of the accused.
My lord, there was already testified about that. There was already testified about that, sir. That was accused 2 and accused 5 cell phone.
When were those cell phones recovered? The one for number 2, do you have that information or you do not have?
As a court, please, my lord, this witness is an analyst. He
Yeah,
said it
we all
yesterday
know
during
that.
cross-examination.
He doesn't investigate.
Yes, he wouldn't.
It's a misnomer, sorry. I mean, we're all following the evidence. It's a misnomer to say this witness investigates. It doesn't. Do you investigate anything, sir?
My lord, I do only analysis. So the questions that's been asked must be answered by the investigation officer.
Yes.
All evidence was already given before court as I know, so I can only testify about the analysis I've done.
Unfortunately, Lieutenant Colonel Stein, Colonel Gouws, you have to testify on the facts and on the evidence of which you have full knowledge of. You understand that?
I understand. I've got full knowledge of the section 205. I've got the investigation officer must testify when and where the cell phone was found. That's nothing to do with me. I'm a cell phone analyst, not the investigation officer.
But you are the one who told me that there are cell phones that were recovered from some of the accused when the trial had already started. Am I wrong?
That's correct.
You are the one who said so.
But that was according to my evidence.
Yes, you are the one who said so.
So
Then,
that's
now I'm asking you, which accused are you referring to? Because we are saying it's because there are cell phones that were recovered from some of the accused, and you even name them to say accused number 2 and number 5.
my lord.
That's your evidence, unless if you are changing it.
My lord, that's what I said. That's why I done the analysis after the analysis after the trial had started. I was informed by Brigadier Kaninda that the cell phones was found in possession of the accused He must come testify when it was found, and I was only instructed to do section 205. I can't tell when it was found. That must be done by the investigation officer.
Okay. I'm going to plead with you so that we are going to run smoothly. That if you do not have evidence of any information, if you're relying on the evidence of someone else, don't say it in court. Because I thought you had knowledge of the accused that you are referring to. I thought you had knowledge of the cell phones that you were referring to.
My lord, I gave him a statement about the cell phone analysis I've done on accused 2 and accused 5. There was a request from Brigadier Kaninda to do analysis. So that's all I've got on knowledge I have. And then I've received the downloads of the cell phones, and I've done the analysis on the 2 cell phones. I can't tell when it was found. That was found by the brigadier or the investigation team. I can't found that.
So it's hearsay what you're saying.
How can it be hearsay? My lord, how can it be hearsay? I mean, what hearsay are you talking about, my lord? Exhibit DD5 said I received cell phone downloading from Brigadier Kaninda. That's not hearsay. My statement has been given in, my lord. So that's not hearsay. And I've testified about accused 2 and accused 5 cell phones I received. So that's not hearsay. My statement was already given into court. So that's not hearsay. It's exhibit DD5.
Just read something.
No, it isn't.
Okay.
Well, there you have it, people. You see, one thing I like about Advocate Mshololo, once she starts to take a stand, she presses all those witnesses to the corner, and they can't, even if the judge or Advocate Baloyi tries to intervene, for the mere fact that Advocate Mshololo was pressing the witness to a corner, they start mentioning Kininda. I somehow get a feeling like this Mr. Gouws was like that Sergeant Mukhola. Remember Sergeant Mukhola, that lady who knew nothing, everything, please refer to Kininda, refer to Kininda. Even right now, we see Colonel Gouws referring to Kininda because now he's feeling the heat. And I somehow feel like, who is it? Steyn, Colonel Steyn went on retirement not because he was supposed to go to retirement, but he went on retirement because he was running away, because he knows that once you are in that courtroom, when it goes down, it really goes down. So I don't know what you're thinking about that. Stay tuned. I'll be seeing you on the next upload. And hey, sorry people for not being in front of the camera today. The camera, in fact, I'm at work, so I'll be on camera once I'm at home. See you on the next upload. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you on the next one. All right, from me to you, I'm signing out. Peace.